Hey, we're on the road again. We have been working on the property, getting it cleaned up. It's been dry, getting the gardens all figured out. That was my lunch. It's about 3 o'clock and that's kind of my lunch dinner because I haven't really eaten much. But I made cookies and they're in the freezer so we can take them with us, but we're on our way back down to Texas and we're going to be busy. So which I will totally video this whole thing. We are bringing Molly. I'm excited and getting everything together. Okay, we are in the master bedroom. We're putting the bed together. It's a king size. Of course, it's all IKEA. I'm assembling the drawers while he's getting the king. This is the mattress, the king. We're waiting on the queen. We have a TV stand. So this is the master bedroom. Yeah. And we're putting that together. Okay, progress. So I did the 2 drawers, look at that. But we're gonna stop. It's like 9 o'clock and there's kids. I know there's kids downstairs. So I'm gonna stop pounding. But the drawers are ready to go. But we got the king bed set up, the frame, but the mattress, or no, the mattress is fine. We just put it in there so we have something to sleep on tonight. But they forgot the slats. So we're gonna take care of that after July 4th. On Wednesday, but gives us something to sleep on, so we're gonna go enjoy some dessert. And this is dessert. Yay, that's eclair. You got a cannoli. Good love my eclairs. It's your first parade.
But I was glad. There. There you go.
We have been in Texas for the last week, and it's been a long week. Wasn't very relaxing. We've been cleaning, building furniture. We had 2 dressers, 3 nightstands, 2 beds, stuff still coming in, put 2 TVs up. Yeah, just a number of things, constantly cleaning, dusting. We bought benches and all that good stuff. But we are gonna head out here soon, back to home, and it'll be good. We're gonna go take a last walk to the lake.